So Bitcoin could possibly be on one of the biggest surges as, check this out, we have a legendary investor, Paul Tudor Jones. He is saying that he likes Bitcoin and gold as he is warning of an imminent recession in the United States. Should we go out and run and purchase Bitcoin right now? All because this investor is telling us that he likes Bitcoin? I know it is one of these clickbait titles that gets people to click on articles and read. That's all this is. Because ultimately, the price chart for Bitcoin would definitely let us know if that is the case. Now, here's a brief overview of who Paul Tudor Jones is on Google. 69 years old, according to Google. His net worth is $8.1 billion. So yes, he is a big cat. He does have an influential amount of pool whenever it comes to investing and this type of assets that he allocates. That is the reason why the Daily Hodl and many other media outlets has pushed this notion that he likes Bitcoin and gold, and that he is actually warning that the United States is going to hit an imminent recession, as this article goes into. Hedge fund billionaire Paul Tudor Jones says he's eyeing Bitcoin and gold as geopolitical conflicts and the likelihood of a recession increase. In a new CNBC interview, the legendary investor says that he is favoring Bitcoin and the precious metal as he anticipates economic trouble ahead that could send equities into an ugly correction. Don't buy stocks, buy Bitcoin. This pretty much what he's trying to insinuate, or this article is trying to insinuate, because it's going to be ugly in the equity markets. Now, it's going to be ugly for those who buy stocks, understand? Because if it's going to be a correction, i.e. prices are going to go down, you can still make money as price decreases too. So understand that someone will become massively rich on this correction in the equities market. So don't be fearful. Don't be scared. Plan for this. Get ready for it. And according to Paul, he's getting ready by buying gold and Bitcoin. Here's Bitcoin's price chart. Are we trending in the market in Bitcoin right now? To me, yes, but only slightly. We're slightly seeing price in Bitcoin go up. I did a price prediction in Bitcoin on September the 29th, looking for price to go higher, and we actually timed the top into the market in Bitcoin right there, October the 2nd. That is where the sellers began to push down the price in Bitcoin. It ultimately reached 28,592. Our ultimate TP price was around 28,168, so it's pretty close, 4.25% right there. So now let me show you the trend that Bitcoin currently is on. Okay, there it is. And you can see even today, the market in Bitcoin is testing that trend line right there. So should we maintain that Bitcoin is massively bullish? Because when I zoom out the chart, you can see that we really haven't seen too much in terms of a move. Price in Bitcoin has just been trading within a range. So even though Paul may be massively bullish, or he likes Bitcoin, it doesn't mean that the market's going to go higher just off of what he says. He's just one individual. Bitcoin is a massive market across the global world, across the whole world. People play in Bitcoin. Okay. So now, what do you think about Bitcoin trending down in price? Is that logical? Yes, it is logical for us to see the market of Bitcoin continue to go down off of this downtrend line. It's probable. We have a lot of area to cover in order to get an answer to which the market is either buying Bitcoin down here around 25,250, or will it continue to go lower from $27,000, $28,000? Which one do you think is more likely? Here is the chart in Bitcoin on the 2-day time frame. One of the things I would like to see if the market was bullish in Bitcoin would have been for us to allow the market to break this downtrend line. You guys can see over the last 5 2-day price bars, the market hasn't been able to do it. So either there's increased selling going on, or the market is just lacking the inability to buy Bitcoin at these prices. The buyers don't like the price there. And if they don't like the price there in Bitcoin, then the market will continue to go lower until those buyers find the price attractive. What about on the 3-day chart? This was a good outlook. After this 3-day price bar, the market of Bitcoin still went higher. But we're not getting the follow through on these current 3-day price bars. It's not following through. The market's supposed to continue to go higher off that move, but it's not. Here it is on the 5. Okay. Now, to me, I don't think the market is bearish or even bullish. It just looks like it's trading. Take a look at this on the weekly time frame. A fantastic week right here. Fantastic. Bitcoin was supposed to capitalize off of this move. The buys were, but they didn't. Looking at this on the current weekly time frame, the current weekly price bar, those buyers are still not here yet. 2 weeks. 3. That's fantastic right here in Bitcoin. For us to see this weakness on this 3-weekly price bar, the market still went up on the next. It looks pretty good. On top of, let's get this, check this out. These buyers still down here in Bitcoin holding price. So everything's going to be contingent on these buyers who are positioned around $25,300. Everything. Okay. So what I'm looking forward to the market in Bitcoin is for price to, 1, continue to trade within a range, and 2, have the ability, okay, to go up. Now, be careful, because once those buyers don't show up at $25,300, yeah, we can see a bigger move to the downside of Bitcoin. Okay, it's a very tough area up here around $31,000, $32,000 in Bitcoin. So now let me do this. Here it is on a 330-minute chart. Okay, it looks to me like price is a little bit weak, but it's not drastically weak. Okay, I mean, we do have room to see price in Bitcoin fall another 7-8%, and then many people think this is the beginning of a bear market in Bitcoin, right? But here on the 5-hour chart, this is where the market in Bitcoin will have to hold trend. Right now. Okay. So let me do this. I am going to play some slight strength in the market in Bitcoin. Now, resistance is currently at $28,000, 2.65% there. And my other target would be up here towards 28,605, 4.82%. Okay. Everything's going to be contingent on seeing price in Bitcoin hold $25,250, $300, give or take. And definitely I'm going to keep this downtrend line in place in the market for Bitcoin, because I already know if those buyers aren't able to break this market above that descending line, then this is going to be a very short price prediction and the market will not go far. So let's put that there. There it is. Give me your thoughts. make sure you hit that like button. So and also subscribe to the channel if you guys want more simplistic understanding as to what we're looking forward to in terms of price movement and price action without any confusion. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.